Is your laptop overheating and you don't even know it? Today I'll show you how to check your CPU temperature and protect your computer like a pro using Core Temp. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel PC Booster. In this video I am going to teach you everything about Core Temp from installation to reading your CPU report step by step. Core Temp is a lightweight software that shows your CPU temperature in real time. It helps you monitor your computer's health and avoid overheating problems. If you haven't installed Core Temp yet, I have added the official download link in the description. Make sure to install only the main software and avoid extra optional tools. Now let's understand the Core Temp interface in detail. Don't worry if you are a beginner, I will explain everything in a very simple way. At the top, you can see select CPU. This is select CPU. So if your computer has multiple processors, you can switch between them here. In most laptops, you will only see one processor like processor has 0. This is useful for advanced systems with multiple CPUs. My CPU has 2 cores and 4 threads. More cores help in multitasking and better performance. This section shows complete information about your CPU. Here you can see your computer CPU model name. This helps you identify your processor type and performance level. You can search this model on Google to learn more about your CPU. And this shows the CPU socket type. It's mainly useful for hardware upgrades and motherboard compatibility. Normal users don't need to worry about this. And this is your CPU speed in real time. It constantly changes depending on what you are doing. When your PC is idle, speed is low to save power. When you open apps or games, it increases automatically. This is called dynamic frequency scaling. This is VID. VID shows how much voltage your CPU is using. Higher voltage means more power and more heat. Lower voltage equal cooler and more efficient CPU. This is effective clock. This shows the actual working speed of your CPU. It is more accurate than the normal frequency in some cases. Now this is lithography. This shows the size of the CPU transistors in nanometers. Smaller size means better efficiency and less heat. 14 nanometer is good for power efficient laptops. TDP stands for thermal designs power. It tells how much heat your CPU can generate. Higher TDP means more power but more heat. Lower TDP means better battery life. Now we come to the most important part, temperature monitoring. TJ max is the maximum safe temperature of your CPU. For most CPUs, it's around 100 degrees Celsius. If your CPU reaches this, it will slow down automatically to protect itself. Core temperatures. Each one has its own temperature sensor. This means Every core can heat up differently. This gives more accurate monitoring compared to older tools. Let's understand each column clearly. This current temperature right now. This mean lowest recorded temperature and max highest recorded temperature and AVG average temperature over time and load how much that core is working. Load is very important because it tells how hard your CPU is working. If load is high, temperature will also increase. This power section shows how much power your CPU is using in watts. When your PC is idle, power usage is very slow. During gaming or editing, this value increases. Higher power usage usually means higher temperature. Let's understand this with a simple example. If you open a browser or game, CPU load increases, power usage increases, and also temperature increases. So, all these values are connected together. To understand your system health, focus on three things: temperature, load, and maximum values. If your temperature says under 70 degrees, your system is healthy. If it goes above 90 degrees, you need cooling improvements. Here is a pro tip for you. Always keep Core Temp running in the background while working or gaming. This helps you monitor your system continuously. Now you fully understand how to read Core Temp like a professional. In the next part, I'll show you how to test your CPU in real time.